Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to your last math lesson in your textbook. So today is Friday, May 21st. So what's going to happen is we are going to finish Unit 17, numbers to 30 today. And we're going to be all done using our textbooks. Now, there's still 3 units left in our textbook that you can still complete with your mom and your dad whenever you want to, but these lessons we will not be teaching from on the Google Classroom. So you can still do them with your mom and your dad, but they will not be the lessons that we'll be doing for math. Starting next week, on Monday, you're going to begin to do your math lessons from the math booklets that were in Miss Palace's art bundles. Okay, so if you did not pick that up, you're going to need those for Monday. So we're all done with our textbook after today. And on Monday, we're going to start using those math booklets, okay? All right, so for your math assignment today, you're going to need your textbook and a pencil. And then today, my extension activity today is again to practice playing those games from our Wednesday lesson. Those skills are just so important for you to know for grade 1. So you're going to need those numbers 1 to 30 number cards for your extension activity today. All right, let's get started. We're going to turn to page 110 in our textbooks. Page 110. All right. So these are the 2 review pages. So we're going to kind of review everything we've learned so far in our unit numbers to 30 today. So we're going to begin, boys and girls, by counting and writing the numbers. So what we have to do is find groups of 10, circle them, and then we're going to figure out how many groups of 10 we have and how many ones to find out how many we have all together. Today, I'm going to help you with all of your lessons. So I'll talk you through all of it, but maybe I'll pause and let you help fill them in. Okay, so let's begin. Let's begin with this one here. So we are going to circle when we find a group of 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Mrs. P can kind of tell by the way they organize this that this is a group of 10. But I like to count just to make sure. Let's see if this is a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was right. All right, so we have 2 groups of 10. And how many left over? 4. Good job. So if we have 2 groups of 10 and 4 ones, what number does that equal? 24. Awesome job. All right, now we need to look for groups of 10 in this question. Now, again, by the way they organized it, I can already tell how many groups of 10 there's going to be. But we're going to double check anyway, okay? You count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle our group of 10. Whoa. Hard to circle on the crease there. Good job. All right, let's see if we can find another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another group of 10. Now, boys and girls, by looking at this one, I already think it's going to be a group of 10. But let's count just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, boys and girls, how many groups of 10 do we have? 1, 2, 3. And do we have any ones left over? Nope. So we have 30 squares. Awesome. Now these two that are left over are not organized as nicely as the top ones. So I'm not actually sure by just looking at it how many there are. So I will definitely have to use my ticking method for this one. All right, let's go find some groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is one group of 10. All right, let's find another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have one group of 10 and another group of 10. Now, I don't think this is going to equal 10. How many triangles do we have left over, boys and girls, after we made our groups of 10? How many triangles are here? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have how many groups of 10? 2 and 8 left over. That equals 28. Good job. Now, these circles, I have no idea how many circles are here because they are just everywhere. So, it's really important you think that you use your ticking method here so you remember which one you counted. All right, let's count with Mrs. P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle all the ones I ticked. Looks like a crazy circle. Now, I don't know if this next one is a group of 10 or not, so I'm going to have to count. Are you ready to count with me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. There we go. Okay, so I have one group of 10 and another group of 10. That equals 2 groups of 10. And how many are left over? 2. So if I have 2 groups of 10 and 2 ones, what is my number? 22. So crazy 2s, kind of. Good job. If you need to pause the video to catch up, feel free to pause the video. Okay, we're going to move on to here. So there's 2 parts to this page, and then we're going to be all done, okay? So on the top here, it says, fill in the missing numbers. So we have our numbers to 30, and there's some numbers missing. So you're going to count and fill in the missing numbers. I'm going to let you get ahead of me, so I'm going to be quiet for a minute, and I'm going to see if you can fill these in by yourself. Okay? So count, see if you can fill it in. I'll count out loud with you maybe, and then you fill in the answers and I'll pause, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 28, 29. Okay, now I'm going to do it again, and this time I will help you by filling in the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Make sure you have the same numbers as me. We're going to move on to this last section. Awesome. So it says write the number that comes before and after the number in the squares. So, now boys and girls, what could we do if we don't know off the top of our heads, if we don't remember just automatically what number comes before and after this number? Can you think of a strategy that we could do to help us? So what you can do if you don't know automatically what number comes before or after, you're going to look up here. So we need to figure out what number comes before the number 25 and what number comes after the number 25. So Mrs. P knows what number comes before and what number comes after. But if you don't know, that's okay. What you're going to do is look here, 25, and find 25 here. I'm going to circle it. So here's 25 here. Now what we can do is look at the number that comes before. What number comes before 25? 24. Now I come back to my 25 and I look. What number comes after 25? 26. Now let's see if you can do 29. So here's 29. I'll circle it. What number comes before 29? 28. What number comes after 29? 30. Good job. Boys and girls, we are done our math textbooks. Crazy, hey? So, like I said, I think it would be really awesome if you continue to practice those games that I told you about on Wednesday with your numbers 1 to 30 cards. So, practice the skills of what number comes before or after. So maybe you pick out a number and you're going to put it on your table and you're going to try to find the number that comes before or after and find the missing number. You can also play number war with somebody in your family, or you can just try to order the numbers forwards and backwards. It's really important that you learn this skill before you go to grade 1 so that grade 1 is a little bit easier. Thanks for doing math with me. Bye.